What is up, everyone? This is Mo Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix your wireless keyboard not working on your Windows device. So let's get right into this. So if you have no spare keyboard and you've already tried like turning it on and off, like presumably obviously it's a wireless keyboard, you've taken the USB in or out, basically you tried everything, changed the battery, and it's not working, I'm going to show you what to do to fix it. So Windows 10 and 11, you can click into the Windows button that you see here, and then just right click into this, and you'll see Device Manager pop up, right? So this is the main thing that you're basically trying to do to fix this issue. So in here, then you're going to see where it says keyboard, and you'll see the keyboard, it should be the specific keyboard over here that's basically failing. You want to right click into this, and first try to do update driver. And if this doesn't work, it's uninstall the device, restart the computer so it reinstalls it again, and then go from there. Once you guys follow these steps, you guys should be good to go and not have these errors persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are a video, please press up. If you guys are trying to make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell. On that, Mo Tutorials out. Peace.